Vehicle manufacturers engineer ignition systems to precisely operate to the needs of the particular engine in the vehicle. Different vehicles and engine configurations require different ignition systems, and this is not to exclude the ignition wires. Walker products recognize the various demands of today's technologically advanced vehicles, and that it is more important than ever to provide quality products that are specifically engineered to those needs. Offering one-size-fits-all programs is simply no longer a viable option for many automotive repairs today. Walker's solution was an ignition wire program that provides an exact OE replacement match for each vehicle. For instance, while some vehicle applications may require a mag core wire, that option would not be the best choice for those other applications needing a suppression core wire. The case would be the same in reverse order as well. This is simply because vehicle ignition systems are designed differently. Common signs of failing ignition wires include a decrease in power, decrease in acceleration, and a decrease in fuel efficiency. Your check engine light will come on if your engine's computer detects an issue that could increase vehicle emissions, such as a misfire caused by a bad ignition wire. If your engine is running poorly or experiencing rough idle, an arcing or high resistance plug wire will prevent the spark plug from firing properly. This will result in an incomplete combustion and cause the engine to misfire. As a result, the car may hesitate, shudder, or stall. Failing ignition wires can increase the emissions from your vehicle. This can cause it to fail emissions inspections. Incomplete combustion usually creates poor fuel economy, and no one needs extra trips to the gas station. The ThunderCore PRO ignition wire program from Walker Products breaks the trend of one-size-fits-all. Vehicle manufacturers engineer and design the vehicle's ignition system in a particular way so that all components work together to achieve optimum performance and fuel economy. By replacing these components, such as the ignition wires, with Walker Products ThunderCore PRO, you can rest assured that your vehicle will retain the exact OE fit, form, and function. Each cable is wire-wound with a high-strength Aramid core, then surrounded by a resistive sheath and covered with OE-equivalent EPDM insulation. Premium corrosion-resistant snap-lock terminals that click into place ensure easy installation and removal. Walker Products has also acquired Kingsborne Wireworks to expand their ignition wire range. Kingsborne wire sets contain ultra-premium components and are targeted towards British and European applications. Consumers with these applications demand unique products to meet their criteria. Whether it's for Land Rover, Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, or other unique applications, Kingsborne, powered by Walker Products, has you covered. Walker Products has a dedicated ignition wire team with over 75 years of experience in the manufacturing and assembly of standard and custom wire sets. Walker Products also manufactures ignition wires for high performance, off-road, industrial, agricultural, motorcycle, marine, small engine, and other specialized applications. All of Walker's ignition wire sets are 100% physically and electrically tested during production to ensure the highest quality and reliability reaches the end consumer. With their own ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facility in Palmetto, Florida, Walker can strictly control the quality of their ignition wires to ensure exact OE fit, form, and function no matter the application. For all your ignition system needs, you can rely on Walker as your first choice in quality products. For more information, visit walkerproducts.com.